In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a gift card for Scheels. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to open up a web browser on my laptop. I'm going to use Google. So in the Google search box, I'm going to type in gift card for Scheels. And now in the Google search results here, make sure to spell it correctly. Alright, so if we get past the sponsored results, we've got gift cards for Scheels.com, and this is from Scheels.com. So go ahead and click onto the second link here after the sponsored, or first link after the sponsored. And now we're inside the gift card section of Scheels. And now once we're here, you can see the gift card here, and we can see the domination. So if you want a $10 gift card, $2,500, or you can even do a custom, and the custom amounts are $1 to $1,000. And delivery method can be email or mail. So if you want to do email, click email, and you can select the card design. So you've got a few here to choose from. So you just choose which one you want to use. Some of these do look pretty cool. Or if you want to do mail, old school, you can click mail and then click add to cart. To this demonstration, I'm just going to do email, and I'm going to choose this American flag. And now I'm going to click. Also, you can do recipient's email, put that here, the message, which is optional, and schedule delivery date if you want to schedule this for a later date. Once you like this, go ahead and click on add to cart. And also, please add a valid email before continuing. So I'm going to put in my email address, add to cart. And now it's in my cart. From here, you've got a few different options how to pay. So you can use Google Pay, PayPal, or go to cart. I'm going to click on go to cart. Alright, so there's only 3 different ways: checkout, PayPal, or GPay.